Hi, this is Mato. Welcome to my online chess lecture. In this video I will show you a game between Paul Morphy and Jean Laroche. This game was played in Paris in 1858. Paul Morphy had white pieces and he started with e4. Jean Laroche played e5. Knight to f3, knight to c6, bishop to c4, the Italian game. Bishop to c5, white to move. What would Morphy play? Morphy played b4. Evans Gambit. Morphy just allowed Evans Gambit. Bishop takes on b4, c3. Bishop to a5, d4. Black to move. Knight to f6 was played. E takes on d4 is the most played move, perhaps the best. And in this position, white plays most of the time queen to b3 or castling. Back to our game. Laroche played knight to f6. Laroche was first in history to make this move. Morphy in this position played the best move, which is even considered to be the best in 21st century. Move that Laroche played was played again many times. Players with the black pieces tried to improve the game and suffered badly. So what is the best move for white in this position? What would you do? Paul Morphy played d takes on e5. Morphy played perfect moves until the end of the game. The knight is under attack, so knight to g4 was played, intending knight takes pawn on e5. How would you defend the pawn? What would you do? Morphy played bishop to g5. The attack is the best defense. f6. If knight to e7, then h3. So we have f6. Pawn takes pawn on f6. Knight takes on f6. White to move and to play the obvious, and the obvious is attacking the pinned piece. h6, asking a question. Pawn takes knight. Pawn takes bishop. White to move and to play the obvious, and the obvious is f takes on g7. Queen to e7 check. White to move. What would you do? How would you defend the king? Please pause and find the best move for white. Did you pause? What did you find? White played the move when black resigned, and the move is queen to e2. Laroche resigned in view of this continuation. One line goes like this. Queen takes queen check. King takes queen. And where is the rook on h8 going? If it goes to g8, bishop takes rook. If rook goes to f8, then pawn takes rook check. And after king takes queen, knight takes on g5. And white has a huge material advantage. And we know that Morphy can checkmate with only half a pawn. What do you think of this game? And that is all. I hope that you enjoyed watching this video. I wish you good luck with your chess, and bye for now.